So let us start our class after the break. We have solved up to question number 12. Now let us go to question number 13. Thirteenth question is integration 10 to the power 5x dx. So look here, m is 5 but n is 0. Then how do we solve this? Look, this 10 to the power 5x is written in this way: tan cube x into tan square x dx. In the next step, I am splitting this tan square x into sec square x minus 1. Tan cube x into sec square x minus 1 dx. Next I am writing in this way: tan cube x sec square x dx minus integration tan cube x dx. In the next step, integration tan cube x. Now this sec square x dx is written in this way: d of tan x. Then this tan cube x is again splitted as tan x into tan square x dx. Next step, integration tan cube x d of tan x minus integration tan x into, I am writing tan square x as sec square x minus 1 dx. Integration tan cube x d of tan x minus integration tan x sec square x dx plus integration tan x dx. Next, in the next step, I am writing just this sec square x dx as d of tan x. Then I can write the answer in this way: 1 by 4 tan to the power 4x. This is half tan square x, and this is given tan x is ln of sec x. Ln of mod of sec x plus c. This is our answer. 1 by 4 tan to the power 4 is half tan square x plus ln of sec x plus c. Okay. Integration root over tan x into sec to the power 4x dx. Root over tan x. Split this into 2 sec square x. The first sec square x is split as 1 plus tan square x, and the second sec square x is split here in this way. The next step, I am pushing this within the bracket, so you get root over of tan x plus tan x to the power 5 by 2. Later I am writing this as tan x to the power 5. This will help you to write the answer, and this sec square x dx become d of tan x. So now our answer will be half plus 1 is 3 by 2, so 2 by 3 tan x to the power 3 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 1 7 by 2, so 2 by 7 tan x to the power 7 by 2 plus. This will be our answer. Next question. Integration sec to the power 4 2x dx. I am writing this as sec square 2x into sec square 2x dx. Next, I am writing this sec square 2x as 1 plus tan square 2x into, look, if you do ddx of tan 2x, what do you get? You get 2 sec square 2x dx. So if we have 1, 2 here, then you can write this d of tan 2x. So for this to have to write half outside. Now you can write d of tan 2x. Now your answer is very easy. Half into this. This becomes tan of 2x plus this becomes 1/3 tan cube 2x plus. This will be your answer. 15. Half tan 2x plus 1/6 tan cube 2x plus. Okay. Next. Number 16. Integration cosec to the power 4 3x. You can write this as cosec square 3x into cosec square 3x dx. Next, I am writing this cosec square 3x as 1 plus cot square 3x. Now this cosec square 3x remains unchanged. Or you can write, just see this, ddx of cot 3x. What do you get? You get minus 3 cosec square 3x. So if you keep here one minus 3, then you can write d of cot 3x. So to keep here minus 3, you have to write minus 1/3 outside. Now you can write this as d of cot 3x. Now this is very easy. Minus 1/3. This becomes cot of 3x. This becomes 1/3 cot cube 3x plus c. Again, I am telling you that if you feel uncomfortable to do this type of step, you just put cot 3x equals z and solve it. You get your answer. Okay. Next question. Number 17. Integration cot to the power nx cosec square x dx. Here one restriction is given that n can't be minus 1. So you can take cot x equal to z here. So taking differential, you get minus cosec square x dx equals to dz. So cosec square x dx becomes minus dz. So your result becomes z to the power n minus dz. So your answer will be minus 1 by n plus 1 z to the power n plus 1 plus c. That is minus 1 by n plus 1 cot x to the power n plus 1 plus c. This will be your answer. যেটা নিশ্চয়ই বুঝতে পারছো কেন n minus 1 থেকে ডিফারেন্ট নেওয়া হয়েছে তার একটা আনডিফাইন্ড ভ্যারিয়েবল এটা বলতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট নাম্বার 18. Integration cot to the power 5x cosec to the power 4x. I am doing just one step and the left will be kept as homework. Cot to the power 5x, this kept unchanged. This cosec square x is 1 plus cot square x, and then this is now put cot x equals to z, and you will get your answer as minus 1 by 6 cot to the power 6x minus 1 by 8 cot to the power 8x plus. Then let us go to question number 19. Integration cot to the power 5x dx. First write it as cot cube x cot square x dx. Then cot cube x, change this cot square x to cosec square x minus 1 dx. Then split into two integrals, cot cube x cosec square x dx minus integration cot cube x dx. Next, integration cot cube x, you can write this as minus d of cot x. Then minus integration cot x into cot square x dx. Next, minus integration cot cube x d of cot x minus integration cot x, this cot square x is known as cosec square x minus 1 dx. Then let us start from here, equal to minus integration cot cube x d of cot x minus, this is cot x cosec square x dx. So write this cot x cosec square x dx, then plus integration cot x dx, plus integration cot x dx. Next I am writing minus integration cot cube x d of cot x minus cosec square x dx is d of cot x, so plus integration cot x d of cot x and plus integration cot x dx. Now it is ready for integration. I am writing answer here. Answer will be minus 1 by 4 cot to the power 4x. Then this will become plus half cot square x, and integration cot x is plus ln of sin x, ln of mod of sin x, plus this is your answer. Okay, let us have a break, short break. After the break I am coming soon.